springtime here, so we're gonna clean up the engine bay. That thing is dirty. It's been a hard winter and it's full of dirt, and I'm gonna pressure wash it. Never done this before, but I watched a couple of YouTube videos, and I think a lot of people does it, so do it. And yeah, I'm thinking there's a few electrical parts you want to cover, but then I think it's all good. So let's do it. Looks good. Need some hand wash, I guess. I'll need to put a little bit of soap and a rag and make sure to get all the dirt out. But yeah, once dried, you still need to dry these things here. These are full of dirt here. I put some anti-rust protection in the winter, so what it does is it does create that kind of a sticky, oily residue, and with time dirt just grips it and it becomes that dark, filthy, nasty, gummy stain on it. So you need to wash it every spring, make sure to remove it, all the salt that's stuck in there, if you don't want your car to rust. And yeah, so I think the only protection you need is this section here, where you can just the electrical box here to make sure there's no water that gets infiltrated there. I'm gonna let it dry a bit. I'm gonna take a rag and just clean it, rub it. Take it from there. Yeah, look at the nastiness. Check out the crap. Horrible. Smudge. before. I want to show you all the dirt coming out from the K&N filter. I just put it in soapy water here and let it soak for half an hour, and check it out, man. This is all that came out of it. A lot of dirt. It's pretty effective, but make sure to clean it well, because otherwise you're not going to get the full 100% airflow available. So there you go. All right, so I had to clean it 3 times in soapy water. Just let it wash there for half an hour, and dirt is still coming out. So now it's pretty clean. I'm going to leave it to dry on the sun here on the deck this morning. And we'll then re-oil it and put. All right, first level's done. I'm thinking of installing my catch can now, or my strut tower brace. Let's install my strut tower brace.